The Fish & Co Youth Sailing Championships 2016 concluded today with a thrilling day full of action. The top 10 athletes in each class were facing off in the medal races, while the rest prepared for the final fun race. Ashore, the atmosphere was serene, with all of the young guns taking their positions to watch the exciting medal races.
I think that the medal race gives more of an opportunity to gain more places in the top few ranks, so I think it's quite good, and it's more fair than just having a normal final race.
The top optimist youngsters relished the chance to get a taste of Olympic medal racing in what was an intense battle. Incredibly close racing saw Daniel Hung of Singapore secure the medal race win, enough to give him the gold. Jodie Lai, the only girl in the top 10 fleet, was yet again on good form to finish second in the medal race and second overall.
I really like it because I like learning from other sailors, especially from Jodie Lai. She's one of my favourite sailors. I like the way she sails.
It was 10th place for Hong Kong's Duncan Gregor, who performed under the close eye of his teammates.
Yeah, I was watching him. Actually, I felt really intense for him because I know that it'd be extremely hard. He did really well. I'm really proud of him, and I'm glad he's representing Hong Kong.
In an exciting medal race in the 29er class, with a frisky breeze, Ko Yin Nan and Wong Riji scored the bullets to secure the gold. In the laser radial, Bernie Chin had already secured gold ahead of the medal race, but his second place finish today proved his superiority. In the 4.7 class, Lu Junrui maintained his winning performance to take the gold.
It was quite tough for me because I went too much to the left and I got stuck in the sand. So I lost quite a few positions, but it was still alright. I retained my first place.
The Fish & Co Youth Sailing Championships wrapped up with the same dynamic energy at the medal and closing ceremony.